Say, I
Victor Etemunu,
will take
will take Judith
to be your wife.
to be my wife.
Will you love her? Will you comfort her?
I will, God helping me.
I, what you call Judith Itebu,
Take
Victor Etim Williams
to be your husband. Will you love him? Will you honor him? Will you protect him? Forsaking all others, will you be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
I will, God helping me.
When I asked her to marry me, I literally counted 1 to 100. I was so nervous. I'm like, what if she says no? But yeah, she said yes. And babe, I want to say thank you so much for loving me. Thank you for standing by me. Thank you for being my shoulder to cry on. Thank you for accepting to marry me. I promise I'll always love you. I'll love you more today. I'll love you more tomorrow. And I'll love you to eternity.
This one I do with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did da. Dada cover my face, calling me like Baja. Biggie man, we know they wear abada. Tell me, my nigga, what's it gon' G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip. I no fit, die for nothing. My nigga, what's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip. I no fit, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when I do, I dey try to do on my way. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we face, just to make sure money.